गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम देखेंगे 2012 सेट नेट का पेपर है, ये प्रीवियस ईयर का। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। तो इसका सही आंसर है ऑडियो विजुअल टू वे कम्युनिकेशन। इसके बाद है MC नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ जर्नलिज्म एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज लोकेटेड एट। तो सही आंसर है भोपाल। ऑल इंडिया रेडियो AIR फॉर ब्रॉडकास्टिंग वॉज नेम इन द ईयर 1936. In India, for broadcasting TV programs, which system is followed? PAIL, PAL. The term DAVP stands for Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity. The term TRP is uh, associated with the TV shows stands for Television Rating Points. Which is the number that comes next in the following sequence? तो राइट आंसर है 72. Find the next letter for the series YVSP. सही आंसर है M. प्लीज सॉल्व करके देखिए आप खुद से. Given that is in a code language, 6:45 means day. Day is warm. 42 means warm spring, and 6:34 means spring is sunny. Which digit represents sunny? तो सही आंसर है 3. The basis of the following classification is: first, President of India, author of Godan, books in my library, blue things and students who work hard. तो सही आंसर है descriptive phrases. Question number 11. In the expressions nothing is larger than itself, the relation is larger than is. तो आंसर सही जवाब है इसका is reflexive. Assertion 12. Question number 12. There are more laws on the books today than ever before, and more crimes being committed than ever before. Reason: before to reduce crime we must eliminate the laws. Choose the correct answer from below. तो सही आंसर है A is true, R is doubtful, and R is not the correct explanation of A. The proposition all men are not moral is true, then which of the following inferences is correct? Choose from the code given below. तो अभी इसका सही आंसर है 2, 3 and 4. All men, some men are mortal is false, no men are mortal is doubtful, and for all men are mortal is false. Determine the nature of the following definition. Abortion means the ruthless murdering of innocent being. तो परसेस्यू ये इसका आंसर होगा. Which one of the following is not an argument? तो इसका सही जवाब है B. If Devadat is growing fat and if he does not eat during the day, he will be eating at night. Venn diagram is a kind of diagram too. सही आंसर is represent and assess the validity of elementary inferences of syllogistic form. Reasoning by analogy leads to predictive conjecture. Which of the following statements are false? Choose from the code given below. तो सही आंसर है C, 2 and 4. इसके बाद है 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F are standing in a circle. B is between F and C. A is between E and D. F is to the left of D, who is between A and F. तो सही आंसर है D. इसके बाद है the price of petrol increased by 25%. By what percentage must a customer reduce the consumption so that the earlier bill on the petrol does not alter? तो सही आंसर 20%. If Ram knows that y is an integer, greater than 2 and less than 7, and Harry knows that y is an integer greater than 5 and less than 10, then they may correctly conclude that y can be exactly determined. TCP/IP is necessary if one is to connect to the internet. Each character on the keyboard of computer has an ASCII value, which stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which of the following is not a programming language? Microsoft Office. Minimum number of bits required to store any 3-digit decimal number is equal to 10. Internet Explorer is a type of browser. POP3 and IMAP are email accounts in which? Answer है C. One only has to be connected to the server to send and receive email. Irritation in eyes is caused by the pollutant PAN, which is the source of chlorofluorocarbons, refrigeration and air conditioning. Which of the following is not a renewable natural resource? सही आंसर salt. Which of the following parameter is not used as a pollution indicator in water? Density. S and P waves are associated with earthquake. लिस्ट मैच करना है यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर इसका सही आंसर है ए. ओजोन होल का आएगा यहाँ पर बी. यूवी रेडिएशन. इसके बाद ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट का यहाँ पर आएगा सी. मीथेन. नेचुरल हजार्ड का यहाँ पर आएगा ए. सोनामी. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट का यहाँ पर आएगा डी. इकोसेंट्रिज्म. इसके बाद है इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एडवांस स्टडीज लोकेटेड एट शिमला. इसके बाद है इंडिकेट द नंबर ऑफ रीजनल ऑफिसेस ऑफ नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन इज 4. Which of the following rights was considered the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? तो इसका सही आंसर है राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडीज. Who among the following created the office of district collector in India? Warren Hastings. The fundamental duties of a citizen include, इसके आंसर है 1, 2 and 4. Respect for the constitution, the national flag and the national anthem. इसके बाद है second, to develop the scientific temper. 4, to protect wildlife. The President of India takes oath to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law of the country. If you get an opportunity to teach a visually challenged student along with normal students, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the class? Arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach at a pace convenient to him. Which of the following is not a characteristic for good achievement test? Ambiguity. Which of the following does not belong to a projected at blackboard? For a teacher, which of the following methods would be correct for writing on the blackboard? Writing the important point as clearly as possible. A teacher can be successful if she answer है present the subject matter in a well organized manner. Dynamic approach to teaching means the student should be required to learn through activities. The research that aims the immediate application is action research. Action research. When two or more successive footnotes refer to the same work, which one of the following expression is used? IBID. 9-year-olds are taller than 7-year-olds. This is an example of a reference drawn from cross-sectional study. Conferences are meant for all of the above. Multiple target group discussion shows casing new research, all of the above. All the above. Ex post facto research means the research is carried out after the incident. Research ethics do not include subjectivity. इसके बाद ये आ जाता है पैसेज. A person gets power by acquiring knowledge. Right to the information is major step forward to enable citizens to participate fully in the decision making process. The Prime Minister considered the bill as an instrument for improving government-citizen interface, resulting in a friendly, caring, and effective government. The Commission made the bill effective by recognizing judiciary a pioneer in implement the act in letter and in spirit. The Prime Minister considered the bill innovative and hoped that, all the above, it could be revived based on the experience gained on its functioning. The civil servants would see the bill in a positive spirit. It would not be considered as a draconian law, paralyzing government, all the above. The transparency and the public accountability is the responsibility of three organs of the state. These three organs are legislature, executive and judiciary. ये था हमारा प्रीवियस 2012 का सेट नेट. ज़्यादातर ये नेट का पेपर होगा. ये था उसका जो सेट है डब्ल्यू. ये हमने आज देखा है, तो प्लीज़ सॉल्व कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए. तब तक के मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.